We are done with you, Ethan. Pack your trash and get out!
Do not ever show your face around here again.
I will wash everything until it shines.
Move faster. Those plates should already be clean. Do not call me Mom. Go finish mopping the floor.
I made this for you.
I said do not call me Mom.
Dad, may I please have one bite of the burger?
Eat this crust and be thankful.
Then go outside and wash my truck.
It is so heavy, but I will do a good job. Thank you, Rusty. You are my only real friend here. Stop staring at me and go back to your cold attic. Will anyone ever love me? Catch this if you can.
He did it. Ethan threw the ball and broke it.
No, I did not.
This useless boy destroys everything in this house.
I promise, I was in the kitchen.
That is enough. Pack your things right now.
Get out of this house!
Please do not leave me out here alone.
Go. We do not want you anymore.
I have nobody now. Just survive tonight, Ethan. Be strong. I will not give up. I will work hard and live. Tomorrow, I will find a way. Sir, may I work for some food, please?
Of course, son. Come on in.
Sweep this patio until it shines.
I will make it the cleanest patio in the city.
You really are working hard, kid.
Huh?
Great job, son. You earned this meal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ma'am, let me help you with those bags.
Bless you, sweet boy. You are very kind. Keep the change, dear.
A few more coins, and I can buy a warm blanket.
Look at that dirty garbage boy!
I earn honest money. I am not ashamed. Scrub, scrub, scrub. These plates will sparkle. That was a very close call. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here you go, kid.
Tonight I will not freeze. Good morning. Time to work hard again. One day, my life will change.
Henry, look at that little boy working so hard.
Welcome to the diner.
What is your name, sweetheart?
My name is Ethan.
You should not be working this hard.
I do not have a family anymore.
Henry, I think we found him.
Ethan, would you like to come home with us?
A real home? With people who want me?
Yes, sweetheart. A real home.
Go on, kid. You deserve happiness. Welcome home, son.
I have never seen a home like this.
These are your new clothes.
I look so handsome. These shoes do not even have holes.
Let us take this bike into the garden, son.
Thank you for saving me. I love you, Mom and Dad.
We are completely broke.
The bank is taking the truck tomorrow.
We do not even have money for food.
I want a new tablet right now.
Now we both have to work for a catering company.
I cannot believe we are serving food to rich people.
Keep your head down and do the job.
Whoever lives here must be a billionaire.
Take these trays to the garden quickly.
Cheers, everyone. What a wonderful celebration. I want to introduce our wonderful son, Ethan.
We are so proud of you, son. Marcus, is that Ethan?
It cannot be. He looks rich.
Vanessa. Marcus.
Ethan, is that really you?
What is the meaning of this?
He is our son. Did you treat this boy unfairly?
We made a terrible mistake.
Please come back to us, Ethan.
You never cared about me. You only cared about Chloe.
We are poor now. We have nothing left.
Now you do not want me. You want money.
Security, escort these cruel people out.
My true family is right here. Real love makes a real home.